how to find specific group notifications, light color settings on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find specific group notifications, light color settings on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and now just select any group you want, like this one, and then click in stop here and scroll down. Here you will find this one, custom notifications. Just click on it and here you will find it light. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.